US medical device manufacturers, you're sitting on a gold mine that could massively accelerate your journey to MDR certification. That gold mine is your existing FDA approvals. Believe it or not, the two systems are much more similar than people think. And with the right approach, you can leverage the overlap between the two regulatory frameworks, meaning that you can then devote your attention only to those areas that are unique to MDR, shaving time and cost off your MDR approval pathway. At Manchester Systems, we want to prove this to you. We're offering completely free MDR readiness reviews. One of our experts will do a deep dive into your existing submissions and point out to you areas where you already meet MDR requirements. We'll then also provide targeted advice as to how to most efficiently close any remaining gaps. It's totally free of charge, there's no obligation, and there's no risk. Everything's done under the strictest possible confidentiality, and you can be completely assured of data security. In other words, you simply can't lose. If you're interested in exploring European certification for your medical devices, take advantage of our MDR readiness review. It could be the first step on a fruitful journey into one of the world's largest markets. Contact us today, and a member of our team will be in touch, and we'll take you through every step of the process. We look forward to working with you.